In this video, I will show you how you can pair different AirPods together. Now, if you have bought replacement AirPods or a replacement case, and if you want to pair them together, first of all, just place the AirPods in the AirPods case and close the lid. After that, on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and from here, just tap on Bluetooth. Now, just make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. Now, after that, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name. At the bottom of the page, just tap on Forget this device, then select Forget device. After you do that, now on your AirPods, just make sure that your AirPods have enough charge. Now after you charge your AirPods, now just open the lid, then just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. Now as you can see, this is the first time, the second, and the third. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. But if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just open the lid of the AirPods, then just press and hold on the button at the back of the AirPods. Now just do that until this LED turns into orange, then from orange into white. Now this can take around 15 seconds, but after you do that, you will complete the factory reset process on that type of AirPods. And after you have done that, you will pair different AirPods together. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.